All right, hello YouTube. This is Rich from Light Street Creations, and let me get comfortable here. So the question is, or the topic is it possible to make money as a woodturner? The short answer is yes. I just full disclosure, full. Sorry, I'm rushing a little bit. Full disclosure, I am a part-time woodturner. I do bowls, pens, bottle stoppers, bottle openers, and then I sell twig pots, and then I also sell a few other items that supplement my booth. I sell at craft shows and I sell on consignment, and then I also sell online infrequently. I'm not really big into selling online right now. Hopefully that'll change in the future, but if you want to start out wood turning and you want to make money at it, first things first, you have to love it. You have to enjoy doing it. Even if you don't make a dime off of it, it's just something that you have to enjoy. If you want to be a rock star and play guitar in a band, you got to love playing guitar. So the initial investment is going to be pretty high. You have to buy your lathe, which is going to set you back a couple $100 to a couple $1,000, depending on what type of lathe you buy. You're going to have to get a drill press if you make pens. There's other ways you can do it and get around a drill press, but I think a drill press is easiest. Um, you got to buy your chucks and all your attachments for your lathe. You got to buy your disposables, which is like your sandpaper, your finishes, things like that. And then you have to get your wood or your resin or your acrylics, depending on what you want to do. You have to actually buy the materials that you're going to be turning. So, that being said, initial investment is very high, but it can be a way to make money. There are full-time wood turners out there that make a lot of money. They do a very good job of making money. They pay their bills that way, and that's what they are. They're a full-time wood turner. I can't speak on that. I'm part-time. I just do it for fun. I do it for enjoyment, and then I make a little bit of money on the side doing my craft fairs and doing my consignment. So, but the truth is, yes, you can make money at it. There is a big initial investment, but that's just what I wanted to say. I wanted to keep it in a short video. This is a bowl that I turned, so it is possible to. I don't know why I'm showing this. It's just kind of I'm nervous on camera. So, but yeah, I just wanted to say that it is possible, and if you are a wood turner or if you're thinking about getting into it, make sure that you love doing it. Understand that you're going to have to spend some money to make some money. And it is possible. It is a journey. You're going to have to take lessons, or you're going to have to learn through YouTube or books or watching other people. It is a skill set that takes some time, but you can make money. Sorry to get repetitive, but that is it. I hope you enjoy the video and stay tuned for next one. Now let me figure out how to turn this thing off.